Jimmy's Open Air Kitchens. I am Jimmy. Today I'm going to make tom kha gai, or chicken in the galangal soup. And before I start, I'm going to get some of the help from the garden. Alright, these are my galangals. I'm going to dig some of it. You can see the young bit there. I'm going to try to get it there. That's nice one. Nice and young one. So nice to pick the herbs straight away from the plants and cooked. And the next thing is the lemongrass. I'm gonna cut from this one bushes here. So I have all my ingredients now, so I'm going to get ready and start to cook. Now I have all the ingredients and I'm ready to start to cooking. Here the thin coconut milk, 300 ml. I'm going to pour into the saucepan, all in there, and I'm going to turn the gas on. I'm going to leave it on medium and I will bring it to boil. While I'm waiting for it to boil, I'm going to start to prepare the other ingredients. This is galangal. I have the young one, quite a nice young one, and I'm going to use all of it. And I'm just going to slice it like that. So the young galangal like this, you can eat it when it's cooked, so it's quite nice and tender. And there, I'm going to pile it in there first. And the lemongrass, I'm going to just hit and bruise it first, like that, and just cut into a chunk. For tom kha gai, you need the galangal more than lemongrass because kha is mean galangal. And the coriander, I'm going to bruise the root first like that and leave it there. And the leaf I'm just going to roughly chop like that and put it there. And spring onions, just going to roughly chop in like that as well. I'm going to put this away though. Don't need that. And the shallot, already peeled. I'm just going to bruise it like that. And you can use a few. If you don't have shallot, you can use the onion. It's fine. Just cut into a big chunk. Okay, tomato. I'm going to cut this bit off a little bit and in half. And I'm just going to cut in a big chunk like that. Go in there. Same as this one. And that. And this one's a little bit big. I'm going to make it slightly smaller. Or depending how you like it, it doesn't matter. Go in there. And next, the mushroom. I have the straw mushroom. If you could not find the straw mushroom, you can use oyster mushroom. It's fine. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces because it's quite a big size of it. The small one you can cut into 2 or depending what size you want it. Just cut in half that one. Half. Let's start to check the coconut. Now, coconut milk is boiling. When it's boiled like that, I'm going to start to put the ingredients. coriander root, galangal. Just chop everything in like that. And this is a young bit. I'm going to drop it in as well. The coffee lime. I'm going to take like that, and squeeze it. And put it there. So we're going to bring it to boil for a couple minutes till we can smell the fragrance. I'll leave that to boil, and here the lime. I'm going to just slice like that. And I'm going to squeeze it later. Sit out. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is slice the chicken. Got the chicken breast here. I'm going to cut it like that first. And slice it. I can smell the coconut now. It's boiling away. Across the grain, 45 degrees. Slices. Done. So I'm going to check the coconut milk now. See, it's boiling. I can smell the fragrance now, and it's time to put the meat in. Chicken in straight away. So I'm going to drop it in straight a little bit so it not stay in the lumpy like that. Leave it there. I'm going to wash my hands first. So now the chicken's half cooked. I'm going to add the onions, shallot actually, and mushroom, so bring it to boil again. Alright, now we're gonna put the tomato and here the chili. I leave it later on because I don't want to get too spicy, even only one chili. I make it quite mild, so I add it now. So I make sure that everything is cooked, and then I'm going to add the seasoning now. The lime. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. 1. 2. And fish sauce, also 2 tablespoons. The lime and the fish sauce, so you can put what you taste really. So you like more limey or salty, the same as chili, spicy or not. I'm going to taste it now. Need a bit more lime. There. I think that's about right now. And the herbs will be the last minute. After you add any seasoning. So after I put the herbs in, I'm just going to scoop to mix together like that. I don't want the herb to overcook, and I will turn the gas off now. It's all done. Finally, we're going to spoon into serving dish. Donka, you got to serve straight away. This is donka guy, nice and fresh, easy to make, it doesn't take long at all. I'm going to go inside and enjoy that.